Everyone, I'm going to show you how to go through and navigate the Be a Detective scavenger hunt. In this scavenger hunt, you're basically searching for evidence or clues that will help you throughout this next unit. So you're kind of being a detective in this case. So first things first, you were given this, what looks like this presentation on Google Classroom. On the first page, there are the actual rules or guidelines that you need to follow. But this is not the only page that actually you will be going through and navigating. So I just wanted to show you this real quick, that there's a couple of hallway pages, there's a science classroom, there's the library, there's the gym. All of those are fair game when you're looking and you're following these clues. So the first thing is, or the first rule that's listed on the first page, is that you need to take notes in your ELA notebook. So you were given a notebook that looks something like this for Unit 2. Unit 2 is argumentative writing. You were given pages that include the terms that you need to find throughout this scavenger hunt. So once you find that term, then you can copy and paste it, or you can type it right in your notebook. But when you're done with this scavenger hunt, all of these terms should have definitions attached to them. And we even gave you a little bit of an area. So if you think of anything, or if something maybe doesn't, if you find any helpful hints throughout this and you think it's important to remember, then you can always copy and paste them down here or write your thoughts down here. So that's rule number 1. Second rule is that you need to follow the clues in order. The reason why you need to do this is because you need to make sure that you get all of the terms, and if you don't follow them in order, you might miss something. And so it's just easier this way if you just go in order. When you see, the third rule is when you see a detective head, this takes you back to the first slide or the building slide. So it'll take you back here so you can navigate through the different building areas. And I'll show you what I mean by detective head here in a second. Anyway, those are the main rules. And then this video is obviously included so that you guys have a better understanding. If you have any questions, though, feel free to ask your neighbor or raise your hand and ask your teacher. The first clue, so I even gave you guys the first clue right here, is to go to the teacher's room who really likes pickles. So most of you guys in Blue Pod know that Miss Mice is obsessed with pickles. She loves to eat pickles. I mean, don't we all? But that's one of her things. Okay, so in case you didn't know that Miss Mice was that teacher, there is a pickle icon right here to make it a little obvious for the first clue. So I'm going to click on the pickle. The pickle is then going to take me to a slide that gives me a term that I need to put in my ELA notebook. So the first term is motive. So you can copy and paste, or you can type that a motive is a reason behind why someone would do something. And then you're going to put that in your notebook, okay? And then you're going to keep going on. So you're going to go to the help desk of the room with all the books. So then you're going to click the detective's head, like one of the rules states, and it's going to take you back here. So you're going to find the help desk in the library. And so I found the library side, and then I find something that points me in the right direction of a help desk. So then I keep going from there. Again, I have another term, I have another clue, and I have another head that takes me back to the building slides. And that's how you navigate this Be a Detective scavenger hunt. So please, if you don't understand something or if you need help, ask somebody around you. If they don't know, then feel free to raise your hand and ask for help with the teacher.